Restoration isn't just for the yellowed and stained gowns. It's for every wedding dress that has ever been loved or cherished. Preservation is the best way to keep your memories alive and safe. Even if your dress doesn't look like it needs to be cleaned, if you've worn it, it definitely does. The invisible stains will make themselves known later down the road if they aren't addressed. They would eventually oxidize, and then you would have a yellow dress. So, Bill starts with a pre-soak before it's added to a sodium perborate bath. The next day, it's off to be wet cleaned, it's hung to dry, and we move on to finishing. Now, I know it might feel silly to press a wedding dress just to fold it and put it in a box, but finishing is so important. If the gown isn't pressed prior to boxing, every wrinkle and every imperfection can become permanent. Hard wrinkles are actually ingrained into the fabric's memory. It sounds crazy to think that fabric has a memory, but it does, and it will hold those wrinkles regardless of your pressing skills, even if you're as amazing as Bill. So, now you know that finishing wedding gowns is extremely important and 100% necessary. Now it's time to replace some missing buttons and then the before and afters. This gown may not have appeared to be dirty or need any restoration, but the difference is astonishing. Now it's time to box it up and send it home. Restoring and preserving your wedding gown isn't just about how it looks today. It's about protecting it for decades to come. The love, the vows, the tears, and the celebration. All of that is stitched into that fabric. Proper restoration stops invisible damage in its tracks, and thoughtful preservation keeps time from rewriting your story. Because your gown deserves to be just as beautiful years from now as it was the day you said, "I do."